Have you ever wondered how you can light up your outdoor spaces without ever worrying about high electricity bills or complex wiring? Imagine your garden, patio, or driveway beautifully illuminated every night, powered by the free energy of the sun. Outdoor solar lights are not just a lighting solution, they're a smart, eco-friendly upgrade for your home. They automatically charge during the day and shine bright all night long, adding security, elegance, and convenience. Whether you're hosting evening get-togethers, improving your curb appeal, or just enjoying a peaceful night outdoors, solar lights make it all possible, hassle-free. Stay tuned as we reveal the top outdoor solar lights that will transform your space and save you money in the long run. First up, let's talk about the Aootek solar lights, a game changer for outdoor illumination and security. This versatile light offers 3 smart modes to match your lighting needs perfectly. You've got the permanent on all-night mode, which keeps your space softly lit all night long at 20% brightness. Then there's the smart brightness control mode, where the light stays slightly bright but automatically switches to high brightness for 15 seconds when motion is detected. Finally, the motion sensor light mode provides a high brightness beam when motion is detected and switches off completely when there's none, perfect for conserving energy. What makes this even better? Its sensitive PIR motion sensor can detect movement up to 26 feet away with a 120-degree wide angle, ensuring reliable security lighting whenever it's needed. The high-efficiency LED step lights and the advanced PET laminated solar panel deliver exceptional performance with a 20.5% conversion rate, so you'll always have bright, energy-saving light. Plus, the rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures consistent illumination, even in low sunlight conditions. Built with IP65 waterproof and heat-proof technology, this light is designed to brave the elements. Whether it's rain, snow, or extreme heat, the Aootek solar light has got you covered. It's perfect for a wide range of outdoor spaces, from your steps, patio, and garden to your porch, pathway, and even your gutters. If you're searching for a dependable, efficient, and durable solar light, the Aootek solar light is a top-notch choice that won't disappoint. Next up, let's dive into the Tuffenough lights, a brilliant combination of convenience, power, and durability. These lights come with a remote control that allows you to effortlessly switch between 3 lighting modes to suit your needs. The strong light sensor mode for maximum brightness, the dim light sensor mode for a softer glow with motion detection, and the strong long light mode for continuous bright illumination. Whatever your outdoor lighting requirements, these lights have you covered. What truly stands out is their super bright output, powered by 210 high-quality LED beads that produce an impressive 500 lumens at 500 Kelvin brightness. These lights are perfect for lighting up your courtyard, garage, or even your swimming pool, ensuring unmatched visibility and safety. With their 3 adjustable heads, the Tuffenough solar lights provide a 270-degree wide-angle illumination and an advanced PIR motion sensor that detects movement up to 26 feet away. This ensures broad coverage and reliable motion detection, making your outdoor space both secure and well-lit. These lights are powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery paired with a high-efficiency solar panel, ensuring long working hours, even on cloudy or low-light days. Just let the panel charge in direct sunlight for a few days, and you're ready to go. Built to endure tough weather, the IP65 waterproof design means these lights will function perfectly, rain or shine, snowstorm or heat wave. Plus, their wireless installation makes setup a breeze. No messy wires, no extra adapters, and no need for batteries. Just secure them with the included screws, and you're all set. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, ultra-bright, and versatile outdoor lighting solution, the Tuffenough outdoor lights are a fantastic choice for any space. Next, let's take a closer look at the NYMPHY outdoor lights, a versatile and durable lighting solution that truly stands out in the market. This 4-pack is equipped with 56 high-performance LEDs, providing brilliant illumination that can last between 6 to 20 hours, depending on the sunlight it absorbs. Whether you're lighting up your garden, pathway, or patio, these lights deliver exceptional brightness while helping you save on electricity bills. Durability is where these lights truly shine. Made from ABS high-strength material, the NYMPHY floodlights are built to withstand extreme temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and are completely IP68 waterproof, frostproof, and weatherproof. Rain, snow, wind, or intense heat. These lights can handle it all. Plus, the anti-fogging design ensures the lenses stay clear, maintaining their brightness and prolonging their lifespan. The polycrystalline silicon solar panels boast an impressive 20% energy conversion rate, ensuring efficient charging even on cloudy days. This means your outdoor space stays beautifully lit no matter the weather. And with 3 brightness modes, low, medium, and high, you can adjust the lighting to perfectly match your needs. The built-in sensor seamlessly transitions from charging mode to lighting mode based on the surrounding light levels, making them incredibly easy to use. What's more, the NYMPHY outdoor lights offer a unique 2-in-1 function. Use them as landscape spotlights by staking them into the ground or mount them on the wall to light up your space from above. The quick and easy installation ensures you'll have them set up in minutes with the included stakes or screws. For a combination of brightness, efficiency, and durability, the NYMPHY outdoor lights are a fantastic choice. Illuminate your yard, garden, or any outdoor area with confidence. Next up, we have the Daphino solar lights, a powerful and versatile outdoor lighting solution designed for convenience and efficiency. With 3 lighting modes, you can customize your experience. Motion sensor mode lights up when motion is detected, long light mode stays on all night, and intelligent brightness control dims all night and brightens with motion. These lights are equipped with newly upgraded LEDs made of 99.99% pure gold wire, offering up to 2,500 lumens of 6,500 Kelvin brightness, making them ideal for patios, garages, and yards. The wide-angle illumination is a standout feature, with independently adjustable panels offering a 355-degree lighting angle. Paired with a high-sensitivity AI motion sensor, these lights can detect movement up to 40 feet away, providing reliable performance and wide coverage. Their waterproof and durable design ensures they can withstand harsh weather conditions, making them perfect for gardens, pathways, and other outdoor areas in all seasons. Powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, the Daphino solar lights deliver long-lasting performance even on cloudy days. The battery is built to endure extreme temperatures, ensuring consistent operation regardless of the climate. If you're looking for a dependable, efficient, and weatherproof lighting solution for your outdoor spaces, the Daphino solar lights are a top-notch choice. Finally, let's take a look at the Gusicil solar lights, a versatile and efficient lighting solution with a split design. The 172 LEDs and solar panel can be placed independently, connected by a 16.4-foot cable, offering flexibility for various setups. With a 23% solar conversion rate and a large capacity battery, these lights can provide up to 10 hours of illumination, making them perfect for all-night lighting in outdoor spaces. The wide-angle motion sensor detects movement within 26 feet and a 180-degree angle, making it an excellent option for security lighting. The IP65 waterproof design, crafted from durable ABS material with a protective LED screen, ensures these lights withstand harsh weather conditions while maintaining ultra-bright performance. They're ideal for front doors, patios, driveways, and more, and even feature drainage holes for added durability in rainy climates. Equipped with 3 lighting modes, strong light sensor, dim light sensor, and dusk to dawn, these lights can adapt to your specific needs, whether for security or general illumination. Installation is effortless, with no wires required. Just position the solar panel in a sunny spot and the lights wherever needed. If you're looking for reliable, weatherproof, and customizable outdoor lighting, the Gusicil solar lights are an excellent choice. Be sure to check out the links below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated on our latest videos and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.